This is the brief on Unit 3 Grammar from the textbook Get Involved. Appropriately titled Mysteries, this unit equips high school students with the exact detective grammar tools needed to express certainty, make guesses, and correctly order past events. First, let's look at your present-day toolkit, present modals of deduction. You'll use must when you're sure something's true, might or could for a possibility, and can't when you're positive it's false. Now, students often trip up here and use mustn't as the opposite of must. Seriously, don't do that. Instead, picture can't as a bolted door. It's an absolute impossibility. Like the textbook says, it can't be from France because the writing isn't French. Second, we look backward with past modals of deduction. So how do we shift our detective work from what's happening now to what happened yesterday? Well, you transition your guesses into the past by adding have plus a past participle. Watch out for this tricky shift so you don't mistakenly just use a simple past verb. Remember the example, they must have left it as a surprise. Finally, to get your timeline straight, we use the past perfect tense for an action that happened before another past action. Students always kind of confuse which past action actually gets the had. So think of the past perfect as a time machine, taking you one step further back on the timeline than the regular simple past. For example, after I had opened the door, I saw the parcel, because opening the door definitely happened first. Mastering these tricky modals and time-traveling tenses absolutely turns you from a guessing student into a confident grammar detective.